So before this video gets started, if you were an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make up to an extra $100 per month, you can now use the link below to sign up for Play Octopus and they will send you this box for free. And they're pretty much nationwide now, so you can sign up. And this is what they send you. They send you a tablet for you to put in the back of your headrest so your passengers can play games on it. Or they can just sit there and look at the ads. They don't even have to play the games. And you as a driver make extra money simply by putting this in your car for free. So if you're a driver for Uber and your Lyft, you have to get Play Octopus now. There's free money waiting for you. So use the link below to sign up. You won't regret it. Now let's get started with the video. All right guys, so now we are discussing the 10 best cars for Uber and Lyft. This is 2023 updates. But this is by Get Jerry. So Get Jerry is actually they're like a car business company. It's like a way to compare insurance. So they actually know, like based on data, like the best cars for Uber and Lyft. So coming in at number, should we start at the bottom and then work our way up? So actually, wow, oh wait, that's 10? It's just 10 best cars? Number 10 is Audi Q7.
Best car for Uber?
Number 10, yeah. It's only $58,000. It qualifies for Uber Premier, like Uber Black. Has 3 rows of seating and all-wheel drive. 18 miles per gallon. That's horrible. Okay, number 9, Honda Odyssey. A little cheaper, 34 grand. Budget-friendly Uber XL. It's a minivan. So it won't be that much fun to drive, and it doesn't stand out. But it's one of the best options for Uber looking for a larger ride. And you can buy these used as well, guys. I mean, if you buy a used Honda Odyssey, you're looking at maybe 15K, 10K. All right, you want to check this one out? Number 8.
Oh, I can't see.
Oh.
Can you show the screen?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, number 8, we got it. The Chevrolet Suburban. This is great for Uber XL. However, it doesn't do well on gas, so yeah.
Yeah, it only hits, what, 22 mpg, and it's 55K. You got to get a used one for maybe like 20 Gs. Oh, yeah. Honda CR-V, here we go, guys. 27K. This is your budget-friendly option. Spacious interior.
There's also a hybrid version.
Yeah, hybrid.
If you want to save gas.
Yeah, guys, comment down below what you think is the best car. And comment yay or nay on Honda. Subaru. Ew. Subaru? Nasty. I heard Subarus are really popular in Canada. Is that true?
I don't know.
I heard Subaru is like the national car for Canada. It's like the most popular car.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I saw it on TikTok, so it must be true.
Yeah.
I just think they're kind of like, I feel like they're kind of like a,
it's got a 6 out of 10.
Yeah, it's not even that good. Toyota Prius, however, this is the best car, in my opinion.
5.5 out of 10 rating.
But it's the best one for Uber because it gets 56 miles per gallon, guys.
Wow.
And the fact that it's
crazy.
Toyota, it means it's going to last like to 300,000 miles. And it's not going to ever break down.
Yeah.
I mean, it will, but like not as much as like an Audi or like a freaking Subaru. Kia Soul, I'm not a fan of Kia. I don't know why. It just, honestly, it just kind of bugs me. Like, I don't like the way they look.
Well, the Kia Soul specifically is ugly. It's like a cube.
Yeah, like if you're gonna get a cheaper car, get a Toyota or a Honda. Don't go for some Kia. Like, it's not worth it.
Yeah.
You have a Kia?
Yeah, and it's great. It has like a really good gas mileage.
Okay, so what made you choose Kia over Honda or Toyota?
I didn't pick it. It was picked for me.
Okay. I'm just trying to say
I would
like.
have chosen a Mazda.
What?
I probably would have chosen a Mazda if it were up to me.
Mazda 3?
Yeah.
No, I don't really care. Kias are fine. Hyundai. Oh, I used to drive a Hyundai.
Oh.
That was my first car I ever bought. It was like 5K. I think it was like 6K.
Okay.
Yeah, it was like $6,000 car. I think I saved up all my money to buy it. And it had a lot of miles on it. I think it had like 140,000 miles on it when I bought it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was my first car ever. And I think it hit like almost 200K, and then the timing belt like snapped. And then I had to take it to the junkyard. Well, somebody picked it up. I sold it for parts for like $175. So, I mean, I was able to sell it for $175, which was pretty good.
Yeah, that is pretty good.
I was literally driving, and then it just turned off. Like while I was driving it.
What the heck?
It just went zoom. I heard the little zoom, and then like the lights, everything went off. I couldn't move. I was in the middle of the road.
Oh my
Luckily,
God.
though, I had just turned into my gym parking lot. So I just turned the e-brake on, and then I literally went into the gym, and I was like, yo, I need like 3 guys to help me push my car, because it like stopped on a hill, so we had to push it up a hill.
What the heck? That sucks.
All right, Toyota Camry.
By the way, guys, on the channel we have Toyota Camry reviews and tours, so check it out there.
Oh, do we?
Yeah.
Is that the one we made?
Yeah.
Let me look that up real quick. All right, you can read it, right?
Yeah, so the starting price, $26K, even if you don't opt for a hybrid, this is pretty fuel efficient with 20 mpg on city roads and 39 on highways. This is why it makes it one of the best cars for Uber drivers.
For Uber drivers.
So yeah, it'll also last a long time, as we were saying earlier about Toyotas, and it's just a nice, simple car. Like, it's like your classic, like, regular person car. It's nice.
We got 400 views, guys. Run up the views on this one.
Before we get started, I just wanted to plug our solo. Thank you.
Yeah, I mean it's not too bad of a car. Oh,
Yeah.
it had CarPlay, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even notice you had a tattoo there.
That was the first one I got like 4 years ago.
All right, guys, and the number 1 car. Can you guess what it is? Comment down below. Lock in your guess before I scroll up. You lock in your guess. I'm gonna say, probably Jeep Grand Cherokee.
Honda Accord.
Oh, what? How did you know? How did you know?
I don't know. Oh, because look, it scored a 10 out of 10 with car and driver.
It's on the louder side because it got a hefty engine. Is that why?
I don't know.
32 mpg, guys. That's pretty good.
Yeah, it's a simple car. Hondas also last forever, so.
They do. That is true. Literally, you can drive to like 400,000 miles. Again, quick shout out to our sponsor, Play Octopus. Again, if you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to make an extra up to $100 per month, you can use the link below and they'll send you your free tablet to put in your car, and you as a driver get to make extra money. Use the link below. Talk to you guys soon.